All right, so I'm gonna share with you exactly how to share your YouTube community posts. So if you've ever wanted to share your community posts on Twitter, Facebook, your email list, or anywhere, I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to be able to get that as a link, all right? All right, so first thing we wanna do is we wanna go right over here to the content tab and you wanna go ahead and click on that. All right, so once this screen right here pops up, you wanna pay very, very close attention to where I'm gonna point at, all right? So if you come right up here where all these tabs are, you wanna go right here to where it says post. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. All right, now these are all of the posts that you've ever created. If you haven't created a post, go ahead and create the post, and then you wanna come right back over here, okay? All right, now when you get over here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the post that has the most responses. So I'm gonna click right over here on responses. All right, so as you can see, I have one of my polls, they have over 211 votes, right? Now, one of the ways that can happen is you can actually share it over to other platforms, right? Which is very, very effective besides just letting the YouTube algorithm do its thing, right? So what I can do to actually turn this into a link is I come right over here to where it says details and I click on this pencil. Now, once this pops up, it's a couple different things you can do inside of here. So you got comments, right? So let's say I wanna go check the comments and reply to the people that's on the comments. I can go ahead and click here and then boom, you can see I replied to all of the people here in these comments, right? So you can check the data for your post here as well. Now, if I want the link, I'll click right back on details and then I'll come right over here where it shows us the link and I'll go ahead and hit copy post link. Then from there, all you got to do is just take that link and share it on any platform that you want. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.